The exiled former Foreign Affairs Minister, Walter Muzembe, has jetted into Harare, multiple sources have reported. Sandapena mashoko obuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi Walter Muzembe panguva ino aiwa opinda munyika yeZimbabwe. Pane marumors ari kunzi aiwa ari kuita secret meeting nemutungamiri wenyika panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi pane succession battle. Don't subscribe or like on the bell kuti muna munobuda nyika muchinzi. In quotes, we saw Muzembe being whisked out of Bronte Hotel this morning, heading to a meeting with the president, a source told ZimEye. Another source stated the famed G40 character was at the time of writing held up in a meeting the president Emmerson Mnangagwa at his private home and would head to another one later in the day. In quotes, he is meeting His Excellency right now and he has been given a large crowd of security teams around him in what could be an appointment, another source told ZimEye. Muzembe was conducted and he did not respond to requests for comment. Two of his colleagues sounded shocked when asked for their reaction over the development. Presidential spokesperson George Aramba was reached for comment. The last time Muzembe was in Zimbabwe, he bolted out of the country, complaining of persecution following the military coup that removed the late president Robert Mugabe. He was Foreign Affairs Minister at the time. Thomas Kwarubuda chiripotewa neZimEye pamusoro aiwa paMuzembe achinzi aiwa apinda arimo munyika yeZimbabwe. Pane private meeting ari kuita close door meeting nemutungamiri wenyika, but has been reached for comment, but aiwa haana ku reply, but his team yashokewa after yaona kuti aiwa pane vanhu vaziva pamusoro pemadevelopments avo. Kunyange zvakaipo high security akatiza munyika yeZimbabwe at the time yethe coup. Panguva ino pane maissues epersecution achinzi aiwa tinokuwara. Panguva ino ndo madevelopments aripo achiita private meeting nemutungamiri wenyika. Pinda comment section medu uza mafunguro kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.